What's up, everyone? This is Josh from Edge of NFT, and this is kind of fun because I'm here with Justin Wu, organizer of DeCentral, at Consensus. This is like a three-conference convergence situation going on, and it's great to see you, man, relaxed just a day after your conference, so that sounds like things were going well.
Yeah, definitely. It's always good the day after a conference. You can just chill, relax a little bit. But it's always fun building the community, as you already know, bringing amazing builders, creators, and just smart people, big brain people all together in one place. So to me, it's a lot of fun, even though, as you know, like there's a lot of stuff goes behind the scenes to make it all happen. But we're all here, as you can see. Clearly, we're still in a build market. It might be a little bit bear market, but we still got a lot of people. Like I think there's like 15,000 plus people here right now in Austin.
Yeah, in spite of the 110-degree weather, a lot of smiles, a lot of conversations around building. You know, the mass media likes to talk about the bear market and categorize things as like in black and white, but it's really much more shades of gray and nuance. What are some of the exciting conversations that, you know, when you weren't like running around doing logistics, that you heard at your conference and that get you pumped about the rest of the year?
Yeah, I think there's a lot of discussions about clearly stable coins. We're in the bear market right now, quote unquote bear market, maybe.
Bearish.
I wouldn't call it bear still because you know, we've seen these cycles before and we're still higher than we were like a year and a half ago. ETH is still like 1,800, 1,700 around there. I remember like not too long ago it was just like 200. So we're still, I mean, I don't want to jinx it down to like a 5x downturn, but clearly people are still like
talking about stable coins. What else? What were some of the like? You guys had some really cool people leading the NFT charge too at your conference.
We had NFTs, a lot of Metaverse and games, Splinterlands, Divine Anarchy. They just people are just actually showing what they're actually building and getting that out in the market as well too. So that's what's really exciting, and seeing some of the other talent that's out there too.
Cool. Let's give everyone a sneak peek of what you got going on for Miami later this year. What's cooking? What can we expect there? Excited about the next adventures, and just appreciate what you guys do in the space and how we're able to support each other with all of our conferences that we put on to try to bring the community together.
For sure. Yeah, we're excited for Miami, coming back to Art Basel again. We're going to be right before Art Basel, November 28th and 29th. We moved, what you can expect this year is we moved to downtown Miami, so we're going to be in the heart of Art Basel. We've got a bigger location as well, just to fill more capacity, and that allows us to create more experiences, whether it be art galleries, different metaverse experiences as well, and just a lot more fun booths and everything too. So we're excited to kind of level up what we've been doing and kind of just bring all the community of builders, creators, developers, all in one place, converging to Art Basel for the biggest art celebration in the US or in the world.
Yeah, it sounds exciting, man. You know I'll be there. Appreciate everything you do in this space, and thanks for spending a few minutes with us today.
Yeah, no problem. And shout out to Edge of NFT and the whole crew there. You guys are crushing it, and looking forward to meeting you all guys soon in person or in the Metaverse.